Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share.
I am
In
going
this
to
video,
solve one interesting problem, that is investigate the value of lambda and mu so that the equations, the system of equations they are given, three equations, have no solution, unique solution and infinite solution. For which values of lambda and mu the system of equations has no solution, unique solution and infinite solutions, I have to do here. Okay, for that reason I have to find the rank of matrix A, that is a coefficient matrix, and augmented matrix with the right hand side values also I have to do. Therefore my augmented matrix is given by first equation, that is a 2, 3, 5 and 9, the coefficients of x, y, z and the right hand side value with a colon, that will together will become a augmented matrix. Therefore second equation is 7, 3, minus 2, 8. Next third equation, it is 2, 3, lambda and mu. Okay, here to find out the rank of the matrix I have to convert the given matrix into row echelon form. To convert it into row echelon form I have to make these two elements, first column 2 elements, I have to make them as 0. To make them as 0 I will apply the row operations. R2 is replaced by R2 minus something constant into R1. I have to use R1 only, I have to use. Then what constant I have to multiply here? To multiply that I will use 7 divided by 2. R2 element is R1 is 2. 2 to cancels, 7 minus 7 will come 0. Like that, to make R3 element 0, R3 is replaced by R3 minus R1. I can do easily. Therefore my next matrix after applying those two row operations, I am going to get the matrix as okay, first row column, first row as it is 2, 3, 5 and 9 as it is. Second row I am going to change. To apply that row operation, let me use the calculator so that it will not make confusion. Okay, that is alpha A minus fraction is there, divided by, I will take 7 divided by 2 into alpha B, R2 minus 7 by 2 times R1. Therefore A represents R1, sorry R2 and B represents R1. Like that, calc option first time, A it is asking my A value is 7 equal to, B it is asking 2 equal to, again we are getting 0. Like that again equal to 3 and corresponding B element is also 3. I am going to get it as a minus 15 by 2. Next equal to minus 2, A value is minus 2, R2 element, corresponding R1 element is 5. And I am going to get it as a minus 39 divided by 2. Again press equal to, A it is asking 8 and corresponding B is 9. And it is a minus 47 by 2. Minus 47 divided by 2. And to apply the third row operation, it is simple. R3 minus R1. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, it is also 0. And next, first R3 minus R1, that is lambda minus 5. Next, mu minus 9. Correct? Next, I have to make 0, but already it has become 0. No need to apply the one more operation. Okay, if I am making this one element 0, then this will disturbed. Okay, depending on this operations, I can find the lambda and mu so that it has no solutions, unique solution and infinite solutions. That's why let me consider the first case. Okay, case 1, no solution. No solution meaning is what? The system is inconsistent. Okay, when the system will inconsistent, the system is inconsistent, that is rank of A must not be equal to rank of augmented matrix. When it is possible for this particular case, rank of A should not be equal to rank of B. It is possible only when rank of A is equal to 2 and rank of A colon B is equal to 3. Okay, which is possible only when, which is possible, okay, which is possible only when lambda minus 5 equal to 0 and mu minus 9 is not equal to 0. Then what happens here? Rank of A will become 2 and rank of A colon B will become 3. That is, lambda must be equal to 5, lambda must be equal to 5 and mu must not be equal to 9. Okay, mu must not be equal to 9 for to get no solutions. Like that, second condition. What is my second condition here? Unique solution. Unique solution. When does the system is unique solution? Okay, the system is consistent and this exists, unique solution exists whenever the system is consistent, okay, and rank of A must be equal to rank of A colon B, and also which is must be equal to n, that is the number of unknowns. Then only the rank solution system has a unique solution. When it is possible, then which is possible only when, okay, only when it is possible, rank must be equal to 3, number of unknowns are 3 here, both the ranks must be equal to 3, lambda minus 5 must be equal to 3 and mu minus 9 maybe take any value, when whatever, if it's not equal to 0, not equal to 5, then rank of A will become 3, rank of A colon B also will become 3. Okay, is possible only when lambda must not be equal to, lambda minus 5 must not be equal to 0 and for any value of mu, rank of A is equal to rank of A colon B equal to n equal to 3. Okay, that is lambda must not be equal to 5 is the case, and for any value of mu, whatever the mu value may take, but lambda must not be equal to 5, that is the case. And the third case is what here? Infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. When does the infinite solution exist? The system must be consistent. The system is consistent and rank of A must be equal to rank of A colon B and must be less than number of unknowns. Okay, number of unknowns, then only the system is consistent and infinite solutions, and this is which is possible only when, only when rank of A and rank for this matrix, rank of A must be equal to 2 and rank of A colon must be equal to 2, then it will become infinite solutions. That is only when lambda minus 5 must be equal to 0 and mu minus 9 must be equal to 0. Then what happens here? Rank of A is equal to rank of A colon B is equal to 2, which is less than 3, equal to n. Correct? Then only the system has infinite solutions. That is lambda equal to 5 and mu equal to 9. Then system has infinite solutions. Okay, like this, some more examples on consistency of homogeneous equations I am going to solve in my next videos. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you, friends.